Measuring flow is a complex topic given the variety of meters and different fluids to be measured. I'm and in this video we'll highlight some issues involved with flow measurements. Over a 25-year period, we designed and built over 100 steam and hot water boiler plants. From these installations, we learned that flow measurement can be expensive, frustrating to install in tight spaces, calibrate, and set up. Flow meters come in many types, so we'll share our experience based on the types we've installed. Pressure-based meters use an orifice to create a pressure drop and is then measured using a differential pressure transmitter. Mechanical flow meters rely on velocity to turn a wheel to measure flow. Vortex meters use vibration to measure flow. Thermal mass meters measure flow by cooling, a heating sensing element. Accuracy and the fluid of gas being measured increases cost. As an example, measuring water for flow accuracy can be done for low cost, while measuring steam flows can be very expensive. Do you require accuracy or repeatability, or both, which is an important determination of meter selection? Do you need to totalize flows, and in what format? These factors should be considered carefully in your final selection of the meter type that you wish to use. Turndown is the measure of maximum and minimum flow rates for a meter measured as a ratio. An orifice plate with a differential pressure transmitter will have a 4:1 turndown ratio, resulting in no readings when the flow is under 25% of full-scale flow. A vortex meter, on the other hand, will typically have a turndown ratio of 10:1, which will measure flow down to 10% of the maximum flow rate it can measure. In many cases, total flow over a time period is the primary measurement desired. Accuracy and turndown ratio become important considerations. Totalizers will give erroneous measurement if flows drop below the turndown ratio for the meter type selected. Measuring steam flows is a challenge given pressures, temperatures, pressure, and density changes. If basic measurements are only required, measuring feed water flow rates as an example to a boiler can provide basic general measurements, since 1 gallon per minute of water flow equals 500 pounds per hour of steam flow. A straight run upstream and downstream piping around a meter is very important to measure laminar flow rates. Planning for meter installation should be designed into the steam system and not left to being decided after piping is installed. Flow meter accuracy is measured as a percent of full-scale flow for the meter. And as an example, a water meter with a maximum range of 100 gallons per minute with an accuracy of 1% would be accurate to plus or minus 1 gallon per minute. Select a meter range with careful attention to full scale required to ensure best accuracy for lower measurements. You can communicate with us 8 different ways, and our phone is answered 24/7, 365 days a year. Our website offers product and technical information. For more information on flow meters, see the link below. Thanks for listening to our video.